Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to change currency on Roblox. So simply how you can do it, simply first of all install the VPN. Our VPN is being opened. So here you can select the country you want to currency in, like I have to in British, so simply click on I have connected with London, United Kingdom. Now here open the Roblox app and complete the sign up process. So after completing the sign up process, what you need to do, just right here when you open your account, simply click on the top right side. You can see the circle button. Simply you have to click on this circle button. So now we are going to change our currency. Simply click on the button and now here you can see our currency is available in British. Wait for a few seconds, so here you can check. So in this way, first connect the VPN of your country and then sign up on Roblox to change your currency on Roblox.